Good morning, student. Today we start our new topic of lesson, physical changes and chemical changes, or we can say physical and chemical changes of class 7. In this lesson, the last topic is rusting of iron. As we know very well that whenever we kept any iron object in the open area, then after some time you start seeing a reddish brown coating on that object. Previously the iron object is of grey color, but after some time it gets become reddish brown. So that reddish brown coating, if you try to pick that iron object, that reddish brown coating start to getting separate from those iron object. And what you found, if you analyze that, you find that those pieces are also made up of iron. Because whenever we kept iron in the open area, then the oxygen and water, that is water vapor, which is present in the air, they react with those iron object and convert into a iron oxide coating over it, which is known as the rust. So if someone asks you what is the formula of rust, then you will write Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is the formula of the rust. So you have seen many iron objects around you, like bridges, ships, car, truck, bodies, many other articles. So they all gets rusted after some time. If you not taken care of those iron objects by applying paint or by doing galvanization, though we can prevent the rusting. But if you didn't did that, then what happened? And after some time, these iron objects gets rusted. In fact, if the content of moisture in air is high, which means if it is more humid, rusting become faster. So if you kept any iron object near the trees or in those areas where lot of forest is around there, rusting process gets fastened. Or on the coastal areas where humidity is high, or in the equatorial area where humidity is high, in the tropical forest where humidity is high, the rusting process also gets higher. So the question arises, how we can prevent this rusting? How we can prevent our iron articles from getting destroyed by this natural phenomena from the oxidation of iron, which is caused by the water and oxygen present in the air. So you can easily do simple method is either you can apply a coat of paint or grease over it. In fact, these coat or paint should be applied on regular basis. After 1 or 2 years, you again need to paint those iron objects to prevent the rusting, which we do in our home also. There are iron grills, there are the stairs railing which are painted year after year to make a coating of paint over it so that it not get eaten up by the moisture or air or oxygen.